Precious. Precious. How far?
My brother, he foul.
What will be the latest update? You and landlord. Eh?
I don't beg this man tire. Make him give me at least the month end. Say I go pay am. The man no gree. He say make I pack. In fact, na tomorrow be the last day. Say make I pack before tomorrow. In fact, first thing tomorrow morning. Say if he come here, make him no meet me. So I be wan come beg you sef. You go help me make I keep some of my things for your side. Till when I go get house, I'll come pack them. I beg.
No worry. You know, say that yesterday. Why there? I just hear landlord. You must leave this house. You must leave this house today.
The man really disgrace me.
So because of that, I say, you know what our neighbors for? Let me see how I can be of help.
Help.
How much be the money again? She be na 150.
150 oh. Ordinary 159.
See now. 50,000.
Hey.
Take.
Neighbor.
You get as e be and say I get this kind of money and the landlord won't chase you come out from compound. Get as e be, mind no go gree me. My mind no go gree me.
Hey. Neighbor, as I this, I don't even know what I want to talk. Neighbor, you give me 150,000.
Now.
Hi.
What are neighbors for?
Neighbor, you be good person. God go bless you.
My conscience.
Where this money come from, God go restore am 100-fold.
Amen.
Thank you. Hi. Neighbor, thank you. Yeah.
Amen.
God go bless you. And ma rush go back so that go see landlord. Ma give am money. Make shame cash am. Make shame cash am.
Yes.
Thank you, neighbor. Yeah.
Wait now. No rush now. You know there is a saying where they say to whom much is given, much is expected. You see this money now, I no give you, may you give me back. Oh. Okay. I dash you. No be say I borrow you, may you give me back. Oh. Okay. Now I dash.
All of
yes, so you no give me back. Oh.
Neighbor, you know talk and wear. That is in a borrow, you borrow me.
No.
God go bless you.
Amen.
God go bless you.
Amen.
Your business, God go bless you.
Amen.
Anything where you put your hand go work.
Amen.
Hey, neighbor, God bless you.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Like I said earlier, to whom much is given, much is expected. You know, say Igbo people that talk say, if this hand wash this hand, this one too go wash this one.
No worry. Anytime, no worry. I go surprise you, neighbor.
No,
I go surprise
you. The surprise way you want surprise me now. And I will just surprise me. That thing what I don't ask you. Give me this thing now. Give me this thing.
Neighbor. Why would they behave like that? See now you don't want spoil the good thing where you will do.
I no spoil anything. There is no good thing where something they bring out something.
Neighbor, I beg you. I know they do those kind of things.
I know
they do those kind of things. What thing happen?
Give me now. Now something they bring something now.
I know they do all those kind of things.
I just help. Just help.
Neighbor.
Huh?
Come.
Why you want to see this kind of help? This kind of time. That person bring 150,000. They ask you for small something. You know how I hustle to get this 150. This thing what you won't give me, you know hustle for it. Now follow come. This one no be follow come. Nobody carry money come life. But the one where they ask you now, the one where you carry come life. Take it. Come. Oh gosh.